James the Red Engine. He's the most splendid engine on Sodor, and one of the oldest. Despite being very egotistical and vain as fuck, he is still a very useful engine.
Do you have any random pieces of trivia for us, James?
Well, there was this one time, a very long time ago, where I used to be painted black. And I looked fucking hideous.
The main thing that James does on Sodor is seeing what Thomas and Percy are up to.
What the fuck are you guys doing?
We might have committed a murder.
Now, despite his splendidness and good looks, he doesn't have the best reputation on Sodor.
For some reason, in almost every other conversation that we've ever had, he loves to call me Fatface. I don't know why. He constantly claims that he's the favorite on Sodor and that he's more splendid than everyone else. But in reality, he's anything but.
I just don't like the color red.
What did you say, you bitch?
Now, if there's one thing that James hates more than anything in the whole wide world,
it's getting scratches on his paintwork. Whoops! Sorry, James. I didn't mean to crash into you. Harold! Look, man, I'm sorry. The accidents happen, you know.
You got scratches on my paintwork.
Well, I don't see any scratches.
You've done mess with the bowl. Now you get the warts.
what does that even mean?